Hey guys, we're going to try out this BTS2 communicator for your motorcycle right after this. Alright guys, we got this BTS2 communicator for your motorcycle and we're going to unbox that to see what you get and to see if it's worth the $50 that it cost. And let's unbox this. Like I said, this one was $50. You can get it for a little more, a little less. Just depends on where you get it from. We got this one on Amazon. I actually got two because I'm going to try to motovlog with it with Chemo. So he has one too. But this build is plastic. I guess it's supposed to be waterproof. Have FM. What do we got here? FM radio, rider to pillion, which I think is your passenger that's riding on the back. Rider to rider up to 800 to 1,000 meters and fits on almost any helmet. So I guess we'll test that out as we unbox it. But I guess we have a button for call, volume. It looks like it uses USB-C and a 2.5 millimeter jack. Let's see what's in the rest of the box. Looks like we got the USB charger. User manual. And let's open up the bag to see what we got. Looks like we got some screws, probably to mount it permanently. We also have Velcro, so if you would like to remove your communicator, more than likely if you want to charge it, so that way you don't have to have your whole helmet in the house with you. Looks like it's got some Allens, and this is the headset connection to your microphone. And just the back plate to hold it onto your helmet. So that's what comes in the box. We also have a spot for your microphone. And I guess they bumped up these speakers to 40 millimeter. They actually feel pretty heavy. I'm used to using, let's see here, just some Skull Candy earbuds, Bluetooth. That's just so I can listen to music while I ride. I won't be able to actually make phone calls with this. Unless I jammed it in my helmet, but I don't think that would work too well. But this will let you make phone calls and everything else. Listen to your GPS and talk rider to rider. So I guess we'll probably install that in a few minutes. What else do we got in the box? We also have the USB-C. I guess this is the upgraded version. The last version had 30 millimeter speakers instead of 40. And updated from micro USB to USB-C. As well as the driver or the rider distances that it can reach. So I guess we're going to try to put this in our helmet and see how it works out. So now we want to put this on our helmet. So what we have to do is find the best spot to put it. And for me, it seemed to work out right here. It seemed to fit real flush. And I don't want to permanently mount it, so I'm just going to use the supplied Velcro strips. And what we're going to do is we're going to line up the shapes. You should have learned this in elementary school. If not, I can't help you. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to unpeel side of this. And line it up. And make sure it's pushed on there real well. You don't want your communicator to fall off. Or your B2 or BTS2. We'll have a link in the description below to get your own BTS2. If this works out well, you'd probably want to purchase one. And what we're going to do is we're going to peel the other side off. Stick it on. Press firmly. I just press it just for a few seconds just to make sure that we got it. Let's just see if it comes off. Perfect, that's exactly what we're doing. Maybe I'll just press a little more. on both pieces. Just make sure we got a good seal because we don't want to lose this while we're driving. Pop that right back on. Went on without a hitch. So now what we got to do is find out where we're going to mount our microphone and our speakers. I think this is going to involve several different attempts, as your ears aren't going to be in the same spot as everybody else's. So pretty much this will be a you thing, as you're going to find out where your best position is. Hopefully you guys can see. Peel off, well, don't peel off your tape yet, but find out where the best spot is, where your ear is. And then once you know for sure that you have it, take off your 3M tape and apply it. Alright guys, we just got this installed. Hopefully you can see this, but the speakers are right there. You should have little ear flaps or something of the sort to mount the speakers. And if you put the speaker in the wrong spot, that's alright, because it's actually Velcro and you can pick them out and readjust them slightly, because every helmet's different, so it's not going to fit perfectly in every spot, but you're going to be able to adjust it for fit. And as well as I put the microphone in the back, you should have breakaway pieces, and you just stick the microphone, adjust it so it's in front of your mouth area, lock your stuff back in, and we should have a little bit of cord left. And what we do is we just drop that back on there, make sure we fit. From the directions, it shows that this cord should be facing forward. So I'll install that. Locks right in there. And I think we're all set. So now all we have to do is synchronize our Bluetooth, and we should be all set to try it out. I probably won't go over the Bluetooth because every phone is different. So it should say in the instructions below. Actually, it won't say it in the instructions below. I mean, it'll actually show you in the instruction booklet. We have the microphone installed, earphones installed, communicator linked with Bluetooth. Now it's time to go for a ride and see how she sounds.
Alright guys, well I don't think you're going to be able to hear the music because it'll probably be copyrighted and you wouldn't be able to hear it if I'm listening to it anyway. But you'd be able to listen to me talk right now, which is actually through the boom microphone on the BTS2, if I remember correctly. If not, I'll show it right here on the screen. But I've tested this out before, and the audio should be way easier to understand me than you normally would on my cheap $1 microphone that we made in a previous video. So yeah, from the phone call standpoint, the quality is actually really good. I can hear just fine. They can hear me just fine. If I really rev on the bike, they can tell that I'm on the motorcycle. Otherwise, they wouldn't know. And I have an aftermarket pipe, and it's on a Hayabusa, so it's a little bit louder than most bikes. I'm going to have to get with Chemo because he has one as well, and his bike is a lot louder. He's got a Harley. Them guys there, they got to make it sound all loud. But yeah, the microphone works good. He can hear me. I can hear him. Even on the expressway, slow speeds is good. And this is I'm going about 30 right now. And right now I just raised my shield, so this is going about 40 with the shield up. So we don't know how the audio is on that. I guess we'll find out when we get back. Shield is closed. I got the microphone a little low on my helmet. So I don't know if you hear a little bit of shin rubbing or not, but I can always move that up. And we can always test the different audio locations. But yeah, like I said, the music sounds good. It's a little bit harder to hear when you're like way up there in expressway speeds, but just cruising around town or anything under 80 is good. So was this worth $50? Yeah, in my opinion, yeah, it does just as good as or not just as good, but are good for what I need for communication purposes. Usually when I ride by myself, I'd like a little bit of music or something just to mix it up. And if I need to accept a phone call, I can just tap the button on the side, or if you just wait, it'll actually answer it for you automatically. Controls are real easy. You can touch them right from your helmet. You can turn your volume up or down. You can pause your music. You can go to the next one. It's also really good when you're running like Google Maps. You'll say you can hear your instructions pretty easy. And you might notice an improvement on Motovlog, just because the audio might sound a little bit better, hopefully. But other than that, this seems to be a good product for $50. The battery seems to last really good. But yeah, just the cost is mind-blowing. Usually you can expect the same thing for like $300-400. And you can do like rider to rider. And since this is the updated version, it takes the USB-C charger. And you're able to do three people conversation on it. And from what I've heard, you can also link with the Cenas and other ones like that. So, yeah, not bad for $50. So that's my quick install and rundown on the BTS2, if that's what it's called. I guess I'll have it in the description below. And once I get up with Kima, we'll try the bike-to-bike communication. We'll see how that works out. But until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Hit the gas. We'll see ya.